Let's indulge a little with House of Cupcakes.
We're House of Cupcakes. Let's make something sweet. We're going to make a turkey maple bacon cupcake. Okay, first we're going to put sugar in, then eggs, then we're going to beat that till it's fluffy. Now we're going to throw in some vanilla. And butter. And we're going to let that all incorporate. Then baking soda. Pinch of salt. We're going to throw in half the flour. Okay. Then milk. Then we're going to let that beat up. The rest of the flour. I think these are about done. And there they are. First we're going to add butter. Let the butter get soft. Some maple syrup. And then we'll slowly start incorporating some powdered sugar. I use Godshalls because it has 80% less fat than pork bacon and all the awesome smoky flavor. Here we're putting the maple frosting on our cupcake. And finish it off with some Godshall's Maple Turkey Bacon. And that's our Maple Turkey Bacon Cupcake.